Are you tired of playing the same old chords on your guitar? Do you long to create beautiful melodies and intricate rhythms that captivate your audience? If so, it's time to delve into the mesmerizing world of fingerstyle guitar. In this article, we will unveil the top 5 fingerstyle guitarists who have mastered this art form and discover their secret techniques that can elevate your own playing skills to a whole new level. Tommy Emmanuel, the maestro of fingerstyle. When it comes to fingerstyle guitar, one name stands out above all others: Tommy Emmanuel. With his lightning-fast fingers and impeccable sense of melody, Emmanuel is a true master of his craft. His unique style combines elements of jazz, blues, country, and classical music into a seamless blend that leaves audiences in awe. Emmanuel's secret lies in his ability to simultaneously play melody lines, bass notes, and percussive rhythms on his guitar. By using various techniques such as thumb picking, harmonics, tapping, and slapping the strings with his right hand while fretting complex chords with his left hand, he creates a full-bodied sound that is both melodic and rhythmic. Andy McKee, pushing boundaries with percussive fingerstyle. If you're looking for something truly innovative in fingerstyle guitar playing, look no further than Andy McKee. Known for pushing boundaries with percussive fingerstyle technique, McKee has redefined what can be done on an acoustic guitar. His use of alternate tunings combined with tapping techniques allows him to create mesmerizing melodies while simultaneously providing percussion by slapping the body or strings of his instrument. This unique approach adds depth and complexity to his compositions that are sure to inspire any aspiring guitarist. Don Ross, blending genres with fingerstyle flair. Don Ross is a true pioneer in the world of fingerstyle guitar. With his ability to seamlessly blend various genres such as folk, jazz, and blues, Ross creates a sound that is uniquely his own. His intricate finger-picking patterns and melodic improvisations are a testament to his technical prowess and musicality. By incorporating percussive elements into his playing, he adds an extra layer of rhythm that sets him apart from other fingerstyle guitarists. Chet Atkins, the father of fingerstyle guitar. No list of top fingerstyle guitarists would be complete without mentioning Chet Atkins. Often referred to as the father of fingerstyle guitar, Atkins was instrumental in popularizing this style of playing during the 1950s and 1960s. Atkins' smooth and sophisticated approach to fingerpicking combined with his impeccable sense of timing made him one of the most influential guitarists in history. His signature, Travis picking, technique, named after Merle Travis, involves alternating bass notes with melody lines played on the higher strings, a technique still widely used by fingerstyle guitarists today. Sunga Young, a YouTube sensation. In this digital age, it's impossible not to mention Sunga Young when discussing top fingerstyle guitarists. At just 24 years old, Young has already gained international recognition for his virtuosic playing style. What sets Young apart is not only his technical skill but also his ability to arrange popular songs for solo acoustic guitar. From pop hits to movie soundtracks, he can transform any song into a mesmerizing fingerstyle arrangement that resonates with audiences worldwide. Now that we've unveiled these incredible musicians who have mastered the art of melody and rhythm through their mesmerizing fingerstyle techniques, let's explore how you can elevate your own skills. Practice regularly. Dedicate time each day or week specifically to fingerstyle guitar playing. Consistency is key to improving your technique and building muscle memory. Start with simple patterns. Begin by learning basic fingerpicking patterns and gradually increase the complexity as you become more comfortable. Focus on accuracy and precision in your playing. Study the masters. Listen to recordings of the top fingerstyle guitarists mentioned above. Analyze their techniques, and try to incorporate elements into your own playing style. Experiment with alternate tunings. Explore different tunings on your guitar to discover new sounds and expand your creative possibilities. Record yourself. Use a recording device or smartphone app to record yourself playing. This will allow you to listen back objectively, identify areas for improvement, and track your progress over time. In conclusion, mastering the art of fingerstyle guitar requires dedication, practice, and inspiration from those who have paved the way before us. By studying the techniques of Tommy Emmanuel, Andy McKee, Don Ross, Chet Atkins, and Sunga Young, these true masters of melody and rhythm, you can elevate your own skills and create beautiful music that captivates audiences worldwide.